Hey guys, it's me, Brickdude, and today we are opening up the Shaymin Mythical Box. So, includes a never before seen foil Pokemon card featuring Shaymin, a Shaymin collector pen, 2 special Pokemon TCG Generate Booster Pack to expand your collection, a cool card for the Pokemon Trading Card Game online. Now let's open it. So it comes with a mythical poster that telling you about the mythical events. And at the back it's telling you about the Charizard EX, Blastoise EX, Venusaur EX, Pikachu EX, and also some mythical Pokemon that you could have in your collection. Now let's get to the Shaymin. So we got the Shaymin pen, the Shaymin card itself, a code card. Let me see. Two generation packs, and that's it. So let's start with Blastoise. Okay, we got a Shroomish, a Gravel, a Pokemon Fan Club, a Rhyhorn, a Ponyta, a Shelter, a Fairy Energy, a Potion, a Meowstick, and then we got Venusaur EX. Wee-hee-hee. Okay, let's get this. Okay. And then I put, booster packs. Let's see what the pseudo dragon type himself when he revealed fire flying type. Have for us this time. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. We got Charmeleon, a Botanic Trainer kit, a Lamacana, an Energy, a Steel type Energy, a Pikachu, a Clefairy, a Meowth, Cloyster, a Hollow Wally. Then we have a Lego whale duo. Oh well, at least we got a Venusaur EX. Maybe another time we can make a Venusaur EX. Or maybe a Charizard. But anyways, I hope you like and subscribe. Bye!